Hey guys, I hope you are fine. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you remove duplicate line in just few seconds. It's really critical for those people who don't know the system and the shortcut process. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you the shortcut process that really help you if you are a beginner and you don't know how you do that. So let's start it. Open your browser and you just type here duplicate line remove text fixer FL fixer. Here I search on Google. On first of the page of the Google, first of the site is textfixer.com. This tool really great and have lot of advanced feature. Let's try this out. Okay, I just open this website and tools. Okay, these tools will compare all the lines in your text and then find and remove all of the identical lines. You can then paste the newly cleaned unique text line black into a file for saving. So let's do practical. I need to make a number as an example. Okay, let me make okay. Now I want to make duplicate. Let's see this tool will work or not. Okay, I just copy this, paste here, again paste here, again paste here. I just copy this, again paste here, paste here, paste here, and paste here. Okay, this is our line. Don't need to change anything, any option. Okay, here is our output box. So I just click here, remove duplicate lines. Here is our output box. Here is our main file and here is our output file. Not a duplicate line in here, not a single duplicate line here. This tool just work fully smoothly. You can do unlimited lines and use any kind of format line here. I hope you like this video. This video really help you on your work. If this video helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe this channel.